Hey everyone, I'm Mike Brooks. We are back in the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen with Chef Valerie from the OUT School of Community Medicine. The word of the day, roasted.
Yes.
And this smells really good.
Yes, so roasting is a really great cooking technique because it allows for a lot of caramelization, which is just cooking the natural sugars. It brings out a lot of flavor. So inside, they're nice and soft and juicy, well, juicy-ish for a root vegetable, but caramelized on the outside. So lots of great flavor. And these products that we're roasting today are available at the farmer's market. So we have some radishes, carrots, and beets. So this is prime time for these kind of vegetables at the farmer's market.
I haven't seen a beet like this in years.
They're beautiful, and they are, so it's gonna look like I've bloodied my hands when I start cutting, but I really haven't, okay? I'm safe. All right, so we have, I think you know how to break down these radishes. Just pop the top off, and then you can trim off the root, well, with the knife, and then you can cut that in half, and you can cut the carrots in rounds, but the beets might be a little more intimidating. So you have the beet root, which is the part that we're gonna eat with our dish today, but don't throw away the greens or the tops because they are entirely edible. I'll go ahead and break down the root part for you. And we're just gonna make some slices, and then you're gonna stack up the slices and make a dice. Okay, so once you have 2 slices, make some slices this way, turn it around.
And then get to work.
Perfect dice.
Look at that.
Okay? So once you have your perfect dice, you're going to mix that in a bowl with the other vegetables, but right now I want to show you how to break down the beet greens. We'll just do one. Okay, so cut the connective end off, and you can just chop these into little pieces. And then when you get to the greens part of it, I actually just like to kind of bend those and twist. And these are perfectly edible, so you would eat these like spinach or Swiss chard. I like them sauteed with a little bit of garlic and olive oil. You can see the greens. They really are
bend and twist.
Beautiful. Yeah, bend and twist. You just invented a new culinary thing. Okay, so we have our greens. We have our, this is for another application. But what we have today is our chopped beets, our chopped carrots, and our chopped radishes. And these are just ready for a little bit of olive oil. And I say a little bit, meaning a couple of tablespoons. We're gonna put about a half a teaspoon of kosher salt, a quarter teaspoon of ground black pepper. These are all getting tossed around, and then you're gonna put these in the oven for around 40 minutes at about 375 or 400 degrees. Kind of depends on if you have a convection setting on your oven, and also how roasted you want them to be. Maybe you don't like them as caramelized. Ours are very, very caramelized. So these are just gonna go right onto a pan.
Hold that. Okay.
And give those a good shake. Okay, and these are just gonna go right into the oven just like that.
Just like that. And when they come out,
they're gonna be just
like,
like this. Yes.
Wow. Okay, this looks fantastic.
They are naturally sweet, naturally very flavorful.
Okay.
You might think of radishes as being something to eat just as a raw vegetable, but they're roasted, they're very delicious.
This is good stuff.
And they're so great if you want to sprinkle a little bit of balsamic or apple cider vinegar, delicious on top of roasted vegetables.
You're making me a foodie. I love it. Good stuff. This recipe and all of our other recipes you're going to find on our website at kjrh.com. Thank you for watching, and thanks for making this. This is really good.
Thank you.